In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a Wix opt-in page. First, you will need to launch the Wix editor on your computer. Once you have this open, navigate to the left panel and look for the Pages and Menu option. When you see it, go ahead and click on it. After that, keep an eye out for the plus Add Page button and select the New Page option. Next, it's time to choose a template for your opt-in page. You have the option of selecting a pre-made landing page template, or you can go rogue and select a blank page from the menu. Either option will work just fine. When you've made your choice, you'll need to name your new page. Something like opt-in page would be a clear and simple choice, but feel free to pick whatever name you prefer. Now, it's time to customize your new page. Our first goal is to provide a distraction-free environment for your visitors, so we'll be removing the header and footer. Click the More Actions icon adjacent to your new page in the Page Manager. Here, select Settings. Now, navigate to the Layouts tab and choose No Header and Footer. Once that's done, it's time to create a contact form. Navigate back to the left panel and select the Add Elements option, and then select Contact and Forms. Once you've added the form to your page, click on it, then select Edit Form to open the form builder. You'll then be able to click the Submit button and select Settings. In the Settings panel, you have the option to customize the button text and decide what happens after form submission. Under the option, when a visitor submits a form, you have the choice to display a submission message or redirect your visitor to an external URL. Feel free to cater this to your specific needs, either by customizing the message that appears post-submission or by inserting the URL you'd like your visitors to be redirected to. Before you go any further, it's important to regularly save your work. You can do this by clicking the Save button, which is typically situated in the top right corner. Once you've edited everything to your liking and saved your work, you're ready to make the page live. Just click Publish, and your opt-in page is ready for visitors. By following these steps, you have successfully created a Wix opt-in page. Remember, effective opt-in pages are pivotal to capturing leads and generating success for your business. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to maximizing your user engagement and conversion rates.